Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Merit Beauty. I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look with their products. They are having a sale right now. It is their only sale of the year. They're having 20% off individual products from November 23rd through the 28th. You don't have to enter a code to get the sale. It will automatically be added to your cart. I really like their products, and the fact that they're having a sale right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday is great. So if you guys see any products that you like and you've been wanting to try them out, I definitely think now is the time since they are having a sale. But if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look with their products, and just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off this look with the Instant Glow Serum. This is what the packaging looks like. But the serum itself looks like this. Merit Great Skin is clean and vegan and cruelty free, which is great. You want to shake this before using it. You get 2 to 3 pumps. I'm gonna do 2. As you guys can see, it's kind of liquidy. I'm going to move my hair back. I'm gonna put these clips in it. I probably should have done this before I put the serum in my hands, but I'm gonna put these clips in my hair. As you can see, my skin's looking very dull, so hopefully this will help and hydrate my skin. I'm rubbing this together and I'm gonna pat this into my skin. I have a mirror right there, so that's why I'm looking there. Serum also has 2% niacinamide, which is great for the skin. It is also pH balanced. So that is this. Such pretty packaging as well. So I have the serum on my skin, and it's great because the ingredients are very clean, so it's not going to break my skin out. Now that I've done that and my skin is hydrated, I'm going to move on to concealer. So I have this concealer by them. This is their older concealer. They came out with a newer one. It might be a little bit dark on me because this is my summer color. Just going to use this to brighten my eyes. I'm going to put it on my blemishes that I have here to kind of make my skin an even tone. The whole thing is like enhancing your natural beauty. It's just gonna help my skin look better. I use this brush every day. It's one of my favorites just because it blends everything so seamlessly. If I need more concealer, I'll add it on. This is very natural minimal makeup, but I still want, a little bit more brightening. So I'm gonna add a bit more because my under eye bags are kind of bad today. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this out again. And this is how it looks. I honestly think it looks really good. It looks like my skin, but better. So now that I've used the concealer, I'm going to move on to blush. I actually have 2 of their blushes. This one is the older packaging, and it looks like this. This one's in the shade Terracotta. This is the color that I have. I like berry colored blushes, and this one's kind of more of a berry color. This is their old packaging. This is their newer one. It's now gold. I really like this color. I have not tried it out yet, but I'll swatch it for you guys. It's just so pretty. I love this color. Okay, I'm really excited to try it. Blush has a satin finish. I'm gonna smile, and then I'm gonna add it on to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm gonna blend this out with my hand. If you want, you can blend this out with a brush, but I think I prefer using my hands for this. I have 5 shades you can choose from. This is just the one that I chose. If you want more, you can add more. There's the blush. I'm also gonna add it onto my nose. I just love how blush looks on the nose. I'm gonna add it to my eyelids, kind of like an eyeshadow. It is very blendable. All of their products are very blendable just because it is that minimal makeup. Next, I'm gonna do eyebrows. I have this in the shade Black Brown. Eyebrows are kind of sparse towards the end, so I'm just gonna add this in. It fills in the sparse areas of my eyebrows, but it also makes them look very clean and brushed out. Do mascara now. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the mascara I'm using. It's by Merit. I love this mascara, and I'm not just saying that because this is all their products. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras. It makes your eyelashes look really long. It's also not clumpy, which a lot of mascaras are. I just through my lashes, but I also shake the brush so I get all of my eyelashes coated with the mascara. That was just one coat, and you guys can already tell this one looks longer than that side. I'm doing the next side now. Okay, so here is my mascara all done. We're almost done with this makeup look, but next is the lips. I have 2 of these. I'm gonna go in with this one. This one's in the shade Marrakesh, as you guys can see right there. This is their shade Slick, and it's a tinted lip oil. I'm gonna add this on just like that. I kind of clean up the parts I messed up on. This is how my makeup turned out. They do have more products. This isn't all of the products that they have. They also have bronzers and highlighters, so if you guys like the bronzed glowy makeup, you guys can obviously check those out. Pretty sure they recently came out with a lipstick as well. They have a lot of different products for different things. Are all the products that I have, and this is the makeup look that I did. It's also clean, so you know you're not putting any bad ingredients on your face. And if you've never tried out Merit Beauty, Beauty, and this is going to be your first order. Every first order comes with their signature bag. I have their signature bag from my first order. As you guys can see, I have my Merit products in mine, and they have this little tag on it that says Merit. If you've never ordered from them, your first purchase does come with this bag. I hope you guys liked watching it. If you guys have tried Merit Beauty, or if there's a product you want to try, comment that down below. I will be answering to the comments. That's it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!